Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing essentials. Confirm your repo and branch, then write a concise Docker file and build an image locally. Once done, tag the image and push to a container registry so your platform can pull it. Make sure you've provisioned a cloud account and created a service principal or key for automation, and reserve the domain plus DNS entries. These steps let you move straight into automated pipelines without interruptions, because infrastructure and artifacts are already reachable and authenticated. You now build the pipeline, compile, run unit tests, and push the image to your registry automatically. Once done, deploy to a staging environment that mirrors production, using one config per environment and storing secrets in a vault or secret manager. Run database migrations and smoke tests in staging and replay realistic traffic to validate performance. Make sure to include health checks and logging in the pipeline so failures are visible. This reduces surprises when you promote to production, because you've already exercised the full release path. You can launch by promoting the tested artifact and using a blue/green or canary strategy to limit blast radius, monitor latency, error rate, and resource use closely during rollout. Once done, ensure alerts, dashboards, and centralized logs are active so you catch regressions fast. If issues appear, trigger an automated rollback and scale down the new release while investigating. A practical troubleshooting tip: check correlated logs and metrics first, then restart dependent services or clear caches. Those steps often resolve deployment-related failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.